Sorry guys, got cut off. What do you think about this one right here? Well, that's not bad. It's gonna cost you about $1,000. That door. I don't know. I just came to price them for a spin. This is $1,000. It's a Whirlpool. It looks like one of the regular models. You got a $26.99 Whirlpool, a 2078 Whirlpool, 1100. That one's nice. 1800. I could show this video to my wife, let her pick, but I really didn't want to spend more than 1200. That's $14.99. $17.99. Both of them are $17.99. This one does not have a price. It's a LG. It is $2,000. I don't know, guys. I don't know what she wants to do. So what do y'all think, guys? I'm kind of, but it doesn't have the water, doesn't have this. So, the one that has that is 18. 2. And there's one. What do y'all think about this one? You think my wife will choose this one? We'll see. We'll see. Okay. All right, guys. I think that's about it. Those are the only ones they had over on display. And if it's not on display, you have to go online. Here's one over here. I'm sorry. There's a couple more. Now we saw that one. Those with that Midea one for $6.99. They didn't have the ice maker or the water dispenser or whatever. But yeah, man, that's it, bro. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Let me know what you think. Please comment and subscribe. Love you guys. In Jesus' name. Bye-bye.